geography का दो part है. There's a physical geography and there's a human geography.
I had learned geography from you as a teacher only, and so I would say I'm grateful to you as a teacher, and later on Edukemy as an institution that has provided a lot of insights.
My name is Shabbir with a double B. I have no clue why I was named Shabbir. I want to believe it was the name of a great man. My father, mother thought I might become a great man. I've been teaching for the last almost 22 years now.
I would say that मतलब मुझे geography के बारे में कोई idea नहीं था, तो it is because of Shabbir Sir, I would say.
Very thankful that I was a part of MSP both the years 22 and 23. The approach to the geography optional preparation in MSP was very unique. I did not find it anywhere, did not hear it from any of the friends where we talked about different levels of questions which we dealt with. I did not go anywhere else for geography, sir.